Yeah, guten Tag, dzień dobry also to you. Even if my name sounds Polish, I don't speak any Polish at all, except for this. Yeah, thanks for inviting me here to Łukasiewicz. It's my first time here, so we already did some short laboratory tour yesterday. I think it's very nice here, very interesting.
I hope you like it.
I liked it a lot. Very interesting facilities for doing electromagnetic compatibility measurements and also other EUT testing stuff. I'm here for some IEEE Distinguished Lecturer talk. The IEEE is the Institute of Electric and Electronic Engineers. It's the world's largest professional community and association of electric engineers and everything that is associated with it. And they have different societies, and one society deals with electromagnetic compatibility. And there are different local chapters that are active. So I'm active for a German chapter and you are active for the Polish chapter. So the idea is to share knowledge, to share experience all over the world. So I will talk about the comparison of emission measurements between semi-anechoic chambers like the one that we are standing in right here with lots of absorbers. And we also operate one of these chambers in Magdeburg, a slightly larger one with 10-meter measurement distance. So this is just a 3-meter one, but it's still kind of impressive. It's a little bit like comparing apples and oranges. If you like, but
finally both of them should be nice.
Exactly. Both of them taste good. And today in my talk, I will concentrate on emission measurements, what devices radiate, and at the end, of course, if you do the measurement there and there, you should get a comparable result. But you have to look really at the physics and do not just apply standards.
Okay, so let's go and listen to your speech.